excuse the noise like normal. We've been doing it outside because it's really pretty and stuff. Today we're going to do dog tags. Yay! I have Minion and Big Hero. Yeah. I have My Pony dog tag and Big Hero. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna go first. Okay, they have dog tag. Like, wait, hold on. Do they have dog tag?
Want a tab, Malia?
Mine does. Who did you get?
I got
This guy. Minion, that's holding a banana. Like, bananas.
Banana.
And look at my sticker.
Banana.
Yeah. Banana. And of course it comes with the checklist. Okay, so ooh, banana. Well, here's the checklist. Here's the banana. Okay. It looks like. There are 24 dog tags and 24 stickers. Yeah. Okay, and I just noticed something. Okay, so here's the front. I already showed you that. But look, there's a back side too. And he's just holding one banana. Okay, go ahead. A lot of bananas. Okay, so I'm gonna open my heroes. What'd you get? Oh, I got that sticker. That guy. Oh, the guy? The movie. And then here's this one. And oh, I got him. Oh, but sweet. He has his wings out. This is all kinds of crazy things you can collect. I can barely even tell what it looks like. Oh, and okay. Here it is. It's 24. Stuck it on the back. 24. Okay.
Okay, there's 24 of those to collect.
24. Let's see. Oh, yeah, open it up. Ooh, I got a girl and a guy and a symbol. Who did you get? Who did you get? I don't know yet. Here's your list. And I have no clue. I can't see because oh, cool! I wanted him. He's like I think it's like a bad guy.
Oh, Audrey got this one today.
Fred. Now I'm gonna open my pony. Ooh!
That one comes with stickers and tags.
Ooh! We're here. Oh, I got the Wonderbolts! Yay! Tattoo.
Oh yeah.
And card.
The checklist.
And
you got strawberry sunrise. Am I right or am I wrong?
Let me.
Fruit punch, berry, fruit, or
I don't know. Ooh. Yep.
What's her name?
Stop name. Look how cool this one is. It's like
Berry
sparkly.
Punch. Her name is Berry Punch. Oh yeah, she got a foil.
Okay, so sorry, I don't know her name.
I just said it.
Them.
It's Berry Punch.
So thumbs up, follow us on Instagram, subscribe, like us on Facebook. Thumbs up and bye bye, monster friends.